Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to receive money on a Wise account even if you are a complete beginner and don't have any bank account linked. So if you've just heard about Wise and you're confused about how money comes into your account, this video is for you. Let's get started. Wise is an international money app that lets you receive, hold, and send money in different currencies like USD, EUR, GBP, and many more. The best part is, Wise gives you local bank details in some currencies, which means people can send you money like a normal bank transfer. First, download the Wise app from the Play Store or App Store, or go to wise.com. Sign up using your email address or phone number, create a password, and verify your identity with a basic ID if asked. Once your account is ready, you'll land on the Wise home screen. Now, to receive money, you need a currency account. Tap on Open or Add Currency. Choose the currency you want to receive, for example USD, GBP, or EUR. Wise may ask you to activate your account by adding a small amount. This is a one-time step. After activation, tap on the currency. You'll see bank details like account number, routing number, or IBAN. These are your personal receiving details. You can now share these details with anyone who wants to send you money. Even if you don't link any personal bank account, money can still come into your Wise balance. The money will stay safely inside your Wise wallet until you decide what to do with it. Once you receive money, you can keep it in Wise, convert it to another currency, withdraw later to a bank account, or use a Wise debit card if available in your country. So that's how you receive money on Wise. Simple and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.